Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to have my siblings do my makeup. This is
Abby, I am 13.
Wyatt, I'm 12.
They are going to do my makeup now. So she's going to do this half of my face and he's going to do this half. I already have on primer.
I'm gonna take this foundation.
I don't think this is the right brush.
No, that's definitely not the right one.
Which is the right brush? Yours make you look like the Illuminati.
I kind of look like Christmas.
That does not look right.
Because half my face is foundation.
Yeah.
What's foundation? Oh, that's a little too much. Do I just rub it in with my finger?
You can rub it in with a brush or a finger, a sponge, not that brush.
Not my best work, but okay.
Is it too late for foundation now, huh? How do I do this? Do we just squirt it on your face and then rub it in?
That's probably enough foundation.
He's going for that full coverage look. Why? You're moving her head too much.
Well, sucks to be you. That's okay, I think. Poodle thingy. And the stuff that... And the, like... Where's
You're,
the
like,
stuff that
getting
makes your
red
eyebrows
on
look
there.
thicker?
Hang on, when I
don't
can
wanna
see.
get all
What is this?
Use a brush
What
for
is
this.
this? Just what is this? Is this like a torture device needle?
No, it's eyeliner.
That's eyeliner. I'm gonna pretend like I know what that is. This is the eyebrow stuff?
No.
Beauty is pain. I'm gonna set the face now. Actually, I don't know what brush to use, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this.
What difference does this? Oh, I see.
Oh my.
Illuminati.
Wonderful. I'm gonna do a brush. Never mind. Gotta bake the face like it's 1984.
But I'm making her look like the Illuminati. We don't go by the rules. And your devilish tint.
Devilish tint. I just look like Donald Trump. Yeah. Conspiracy?
I'm gonna go in
Donald Trump is the devil?
with some contour.
Cheetos are the devil.
This is like borderline blackface if you don't stop soon.
It's not blackface, it's red face.
I don't want to get in trouble.
That is wonderful. How do you take something away?
It's too late now.
Concealer, translucent powder.
I need that.
No, you
translucent
don't.
powder.
My dude, that is not for concealer.
Well, it is now. Quit leaning away.
Highlight. This is my favorite part.
Let me see your face, Don.
So
You're going for
Wyatt,
look.
you're getting green on my side.
Okay.
Wait, was I supposed to put on blush before highlight? Yeah,
It's your look, dude.
I'll put on blush before highlight.
What is this?
Okay.
Contour.
What's contour? And I want to do it. Sucking your cheek a little. Go back to normal face. YouTube is going in the background.
Copyright. Can we copy strike Beauty? Beauty?
Can we copy strike PewDiePie?
Now we're
Now I'm just gonna go for a little creative.
By the end of this, I'm gonna have like all new
brushes.
eyeshadow brushes by the end of this because Wyatt just keeps spilling up on green. He wants it to look like
What
the
is this
Illuminati.
for?
The Illuminati. Did you just call me the devil?
I said you're gonna look like the devil.
Why?
Because
And what will you gain from it? Oh my god.
Okay. Ooh, blinding.
You've been watching too much Jeffree Star.
It's blinding. Stay tuned for next episode, because we're gonna be doing our makeup in a hot air balloon.
I don't think there's gonna be another episode if
With
Wyatt keeps doing this.
I'm doing it right, I feel like.
I'm doing it right.
I look like Donald Trump.
That's the point.
Why would anyone look like Donald Trump?
Illuminati. Now we're just gonna go get like a dry napkin, kind of wipe some away. It's either gonna wipe it away or blend it. So either way.
I see people. Wyatt, you're getting on my side too.
Okay.
Be careful.
This is concealer, right? All the Trump supporters on this video will be like, "Well, I support Trump."
Hopefully she doesn't.
Illuminati.
She doesn't have any Trump supporters.
Yeah, hopefully I don't have any Trump supporters watching.
But
But like,
you unsubscribe.
just don't support Trump anymore. You got concealer in my hair.
She's getting concealer on everything. Why it? You keep on getting green everywhere.
Okay, then deal with it. Do something about it.
Abby, you haven't done my eyebrows yet.
Yeah, I have.
I'm kind of nervous.
You noob.
Obviously, I don't need eyebrow help
You can't see her.
at all.
Shane Dawson eyebrows much. I made it look less orange.
We're gonna get copyrighted. Stop.
We don't have the copyrights to that song.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a
She's gonna
heart.
edit you out. She's just gonna go beep. She's just gonna bleep it.
There's gonna be a bunch of oofs.
Comment down below if you like, if you want us.
You can
Again.
Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Make sure to
Make sure to smash that like button, hit the bell notification, leave a comment.
We've been doing this for 23 minutes.
Beauty is pain. Why? That's a wonky eyebrow. I'm so sorry.
She's gonna just oof you.
That's not what eyeliner is for.
Wyatt made all the brushes green.
Bang. Tried my best. Sorry. Ahead of time, I'm sorry. Mascara. She is the Brad in this situation. Looks like a black corn on the cob.
I'm like barely.
Black corn on the cob has done its job. I call this the Mona Lisa look, because I look like Mona Lisa.
Damn, look, I look like Mona Lisa right now. I look like her, huh?
I'm doing the Mona Lisa look. This isn't how Mona Lisa looks, but it's the Mona Lisa look. You should FaceTime somebody like this and just don't explain. Wait, is there lipstick?
Oh, we also have glitter.
I want the reddest lipstick.
Follow me on Instagram.
Stop. Ooh, wow, flexing on your subscribers like that? Wow, Rice Gum. I think my side is doing the best, because we live in the city.
Don't say where we live.
Or you could replace it with oof.
I'm editing this whole conversation out, so just
Or you could replace it with oof, 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 oof.
Do you have regrets of not trying?
Good. No, I don't. Because I think that she looks great, even when I'm not trying. That's just how good I am. I didn't even use foundation.
yes, you do.
No, I didn't. You could. I didn't even use foundation.
Abby, we're done with this, okay?
Okay.
What's your favorite YouTuber besides yourself?
PewDiePie,
Mine is Rice Gum.
get out.
Rice Gum is so cool and funny.
Stop. People are gonna think you're serious.
He's amazing. Just all the amazing points that they made in the Rice Gum diss track.
This boy a flavor of the month, but which is it, huh? A whiny Vietnamese wannabe gangster, it's salt and vinegar.
Are just not good. They make a lot of sense, but they're invalid.
You're like Kanye, without the talent, like Jackie Chan, but a little faggot, like Soulja Boy, but actually, yeah, you're exactly like Soulja Boy.
Yeah.
Sarcasm. My favorite YouTuber is Shane Dawson.
Don't.
That's where I
So
drew
gross.
inspiration for this look. She could just stop blinking. You're asking too. I think I did better. I think I did decent on the lipstick. As I say that, you wipe half of it off. But when you do this, it looks bad. See?
So this is the final look.
Beautiful. On my side, at least.
You've got to like cover your face like half and half.
It's not the law. She knew that.
I like that side actually.
I like
that
my side the best. I like my
And
side.
It's creative to say the least.
Comment down below which one you thought was best. I think mine was the best.
Can't argue with that logic.
Yeah,
So
that's why I
if
said
you
it.
like this video, give
Or
it a
my
like.
and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Send us a picture of a bird saying, ooh.
Okay, bye guys.